EIFE, Florianopolis International School. Hello, we are here today to talk to students about what they've been learning this year for the International Festival. We are very excited to hear what they have to say. Now we have students from 7th grade talking about Germany. Gabi, how does education work in Germany?
So, the German schooling system works upon a basic law called Grundgesetz that sets its rules and rights. Education is public and free for all German citizens. The learning process is divided into 5 parts. Early childhood, primary and secondary education, which are the obligatory ones, and the tertiary and continuing educations, which aren't obligatory. In secondary education, when they are 11, the pupils make a 2-year orientation and testing phase, and they're designated to the level they're most likely to be in, and they can finish it at the age of 15, 16, or 18. It depends on which course they take. The Hauptschule is the easiest level they can go to. There, the subjects are taught at a very slow pace of vocational-oriented courses, and its goal is to prepare students that won't attend university for life. The real Schule is an intermediate level, but if someone is doing very well and they want to go to university, they may switch to Gymnasium, which prepares the students with high academic achievements that will attend university, and well, it usually includes the learning of modern languages, such as the scientific and computational languages, and also the learning of Latin.
Sophia, Germany's economy is the largest in Europe and is home to companies that are famous all over the world. Can you tell us about some of its most famous companies?
Yes, I can. As you noted, Germany's economy is the largest in Europe. In fact, that is partly because of its successful companies. Talking about clothing, we have Hugo Boss, Adidas, and Puma. As some may know, the history behind Adidas and Puma is quite interesting. Originally, the brothers worked together and founded Gida, a sneakers company. 29 years pass, and Gida ends abruptly, due to a fight the brothers got in. Later, each created their own company, Puma and Adidas, and so became rivals. Now, talking about automobiles, Germany has the most successful and known companies. We have BMW, Audi, Mercedes, Porsche, and Volkswagen. Some curiosities are that BMW's headquarters is shaped as its motor. In Audi's logo, we have 4 rings. Each represents a company Audi has an alliance with. Mercedes was responsible for producing both the first car and the first truck ever. The Porsche 911 is only manufactured in Stuttgart, and still, it produces about 110 models a day. Finally, Volkswagen owns all Audi, Porsche, and Mercedes, with the exception of BMW, that belongs to Top Car Group.
All right, thank you. Anna, Germany is famous for its food, drinks, and festivals. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, in Germany, they drink beer a lot, as everybody knows, and they have to follow the purity law, which limits the ingredients used in the beer. A non-alcoholic drink for children would be the apple juice. Then we have the pretzel. There are 3 different stories to explain how it was created, but the most famous one is the Bavarian. There's the Motasche, that is meat and herbs rolled in a dough. It was created by a monk who wanted to eat meat at the Holy Week. Examples of dessert would be the Schwarzwälder Stotte and the Apfelstrudel, and the Currywurst, that is a symbol of Berlin's cuisine. About the festival, there is Oktoberfest. The Oktoberfest was actually the marriage ceremony of Prince Ludwig and Princess Therese. In Munich, it lasts 16 days, but we also have it in Brazil and in some parts of the globe. They also have Carnival, and in every different region, it's celebrated differently.
Thanks for listening. It was a pleasure having you with us for a journey around the world. EIFE, Florianopolis International School.